Want to lock WeChat on Android? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, head over to Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for an app called App Lock. This is the app you should be looking for. Now go ahead and tap on the install option. The downloading will begin. After it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your Android device. Now tap on Open. Now tap Start. Now you want to create a pattern, or you can also select Unlock with Fingerprint option. I'm going to draw this pattern over here. Now draw it again to confirm. Now you can enter your email address over here for password recovery. Then tap on Finish. Now the app lock has been enabled. Go ahead and tap on the search bar and search WeChat. Now you want to tap on this lock icon over here. Here it says permission is required, so go ahead and tap on Allow. This will take you to settings. Go ahead and toggle the option on. Again, tap on Allow for the second permission. Toggle it on for here as well. Once that is done, WeChat is now locked. Now, if you want to open WeChat, tap it open. You will have to now draw a pattern over here. So if you draw it, only then this app will be unlocked. And in this way, you can easily lock WeChat on Android. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.